So, friends, we are back. Students, we are back now with another level. Till now, you have done only the linear part. This is the quadratic part. And quadratic also of the form ax square plus bx. So, you can see variable on both the terms. It is x square, ax square, that is 1x square plus bx, which is 9x. And limits, you can easily guess, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 5. So the basic preparation is you write the formula and then you also prepare NH. For that, you remember H is B minus A over N, and then you start putting limits and just try, and I'm doing it after 1 second, after you. Yes, so you must have got this thing, is it? This thing, that h is 3 by n, and after putting limit, nh is becoming 3, and you have also written the formula. Now that is very important, the formula. Start putting, now start putting, please start putting. Yeah, this is that formula. Let me adjust the frame. Yeah, this fits now. So you can start putting. FA will be A is 2, so it is not only with x square, it is also with the 9. So it is x square plus 9 into 2. Gradually use the curly brackets and common brackets and use them. Brackets are for you, they don't come with any cost, so they are absolutely free, funny. So use them. It is for the better presentation, and CBSE is also about presenting, how you present. That is also important. So this is the very first step you could see, and probably you have done it. So we will go together. So we will compare this first. Is it? This is the first step. So this is the first step. Oh, wait. Wait, that now, so this is 2 square plus 9 into 2, and you can see 2 plus h the whole square, 9 times of 2. You can see that we have to put a with both the terms because variables are present at 9 and variables is also present at with 9. So this is what you have, now this thing, can you see this thing? Hello? Yes. And now solve the curly brackets. When I say solve the curly brackets, solve them individually and turn curly brackets to common brackets. So open the common brackets within the curly brackets. Let me repeat, open the common brackets within the curly brackets, turn the curly brackets to common brackets. Got that? So you need to solve each curly bracket by opening the common brackets and turning curly brackets to common brackets. So you could see 22, and then this is simply a plus b the whole square. So this is 4 plus 4h and h square plus 18 plus 9h. You could see that. Okay, yes. So now it's the time that you make grouping. And for grouping, this is, and last term is also very important. If I take you to the last term, so this is the last term, you could see it clearly, 4 plus 4 times of n minus 1 into h, and now it's the time for the grouping. So what you do grouping, and you do grouping, 3 groupings, but before that, before the grouping, you need to also further solve the curly bracket. You could see 18, 4 plus 18, turn that to 22. You can see 4h plus 9h, turn that to 13. Similarly, the other bracket will contain 22 plus 26h. These are very important points, and 2 square h square, and gradually the last term, that can be kind of, in junior classes you call it a general term or nth term. So that will give you the idea that how you can group them. Yes? Okay, are you okay? Cheers. Now, just see, one group will definitely be of 22. So it will be 22, 22, 22, n times or n minus 1 times? N times. Yes, you're right, n times. And the other group will be 13H. You take 13H common, and inside you will be left with 1 plus 2 up to n minus 1. This is what we have. Just see. And the third, this is a newer thing now. The third is h square, and you are left with 1 square plus 2 square up to n minus 1 whole square. And you can see these symbols. You need to write the formula here. That sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers is this, and sum of squares of n minus 1 natural numbers is this. And put those formula. So now till linear it is okay. Now this is this set. This is the last part now. Same way you will take n common from all the three terms. NH is adjusted outside. 22 is left behind. For the second part you are very sound. N minus 1 is the remaining factor and h is waiting for that. So h has entered into that factor and it is nh minus h. And now this is very important. You can see h square, 2h here. So one h will go to this factor, the other h will go to the remaining factor. Just see these terms. This is very important because next step is very simple. Next step is only to put the limit. So only to put the limit. This is now this step is very important. This step, these two, this step is very important. This, and now gradually put the limit, and when you put the limits, it is like almost a very simple question. It's you just simply put the limit. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is how you put the limit. Okay, are you putting the limit? Yeah, 22 and 13 by 2, and just see h will be 0 and nh is the limit. Nh minus h, it is 0, and this is 2 into nh. This is not very clear, but you know, nh 2 times of nh, 6 minus 0. And by putting the values, yes, this huge question is like very simple for you, and this is 267 by 2. That is kind of, you have done like 55% of the topic, 55%. Because we are left with a crucial question, and crucial questions is like they mix two things, and we have exponential questions coming up for you. Thank you very much. Hope you're liking this topic and the topic maths and everything. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye.